Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix CPU overheating while gaming. Automatic shutdown fixed without undervolting CPU. I show you guys how to do it. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. View by to large icons and select the power options and select create a power plan option and select this to high performance option in this list and name it as overheating fix and select next. Set this all values to never and select create option, and now select the change plan setting next to it and select change advanced power settings. Expand the hard disk, turn off hard disk, set this setting to 0 and select apply to save changes and it will be set to never. And scroll down and expand the processor power management. Minimum process set this to 85. Just need to do the same thing for both battery and plugged in options. And maximum processor state, set this to 85 and select apply and OK for changes. And just to close stuff here. Method 2 is to disable turbo boost. First, you just need to check if the turbo boost is enabled or not. To check that, right click on the taskbar and select task manager and go to this performance tab. In CPU, base speed is the real processor speed without overheating issues. If the speed is higher than the base speed, then in your PC the turbo boost is enabled. If the speed is equal to the base speed, then the turbo boost is disabled or not supported by your processor. In my case, as you can see, base speed and speed is same. I already disabled the turbo boost. That's the reason. Now I show you guys how to disable that for you. You just need to open up Chrome and search throttle stop and press enter. Select the official site throttle.net and select the download option and select this zip to download it. After getting download and open this zip file, double click on this setup application and select extract all and select extract. And now double click on the throttle stop and select yes and select OK. And now in here check this box guys, disable turbo and select save to save changes. And now just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager and go to performance. Now our CPU speed is as same as the base speed. I already did this and that's how you can fix CPU overheating while gaming. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.